One slight flaw about butterfly knives. Sure, they're fun to flick around and stuff, but eventually, if you fuck up once, grab this one on accident, sure, it's nice for the opening, but when you close it, if you fuck up, that would hurt when this piece right here picks up and then slams on it. If you're trying really hard, you're gonna hurt yourself. That's how you cut. That's one of the only ways you can cut yourself besides dropping it and throwing it on accident. So that's the only way to hurt yourself with a butterfly knife. Basically, if you just grab it by this one at all times, you're not gonna get hurt.